Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You've got essentials ready. Signed in Google account, GPS on, and permissions granted. First, open Google Maps on desktop or mobile so you can confirm current location. If you plan to embed or request batch coordinates, create an API key in Google Cloud Console now. Restrict it to maps and HTTP referrers for safety. Once done, note the API key and enable the Maps JavaScript API or geocoding API as required. This starts the workflow you'll continue in the next steps. Now you extract the actual location. Search the address or place, then right-click and choose what's here. To see latitude and longitude, copy those coordinates. If automating, call the geocoding API with the address parameter and your API key to receive lat, LNG, and JSON. For business details or place ID, use the Places API. Once you have coordinates, decide. Embed an iframe from Share Embed Map, or load the Maps JavaScript SDK to place custom markers and controls. Finish by integrating the coordinates or iframe into your page, and then test on multiple devices to confirm behavior. Make sure billing is enabled on the cloud project and API key restrictions match your domain. Otherwise, requests will fail. If the map shows blank or wrong location, check console errors for CORS or quota issues, verify you're sending lat, LNG in the correct order, and review API error messages. If problems persist, regenerate the API key or adjust referrer restrictions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.